Good afternoon. I'm here today to show you how to make a pic collage for our assignment erosion, weathering, and deposition. The first thing you want to do is open up your PicCollage app on your iPad. The first thing that you'll see is this picture here, and it says tap here to create a new collage. You're going to want to tap there with your finger, and then the next thing that you're going to see is this. It's just a blank template. And the next thing you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom, and you're going to hit the left thing that looks like a picture right here, and as soon as you hit that, this screen will appear. In order to change your background, you just need to click on the thing that says change background. There are multiple backgrounds that you can choose from. You can just scroll here and you'll be able to see them all, and then as soon as you've decided on the one that you want to use, you just click on it. As soon as you click on it, it's going to give you a little blue check to let you know that's the one that you've selected, and you just hit that one and it will take you to the background. As you can see, I've chosen the one that has black with the white X's because it's not too distracting. So make sure that the students don't choose something that is way too distracting, because it'll be hard to see your pictures and your labels. As soon as you have that selected, you're going to go ahead and start adding your text to it. So you're going to see this screen. Down at the bottom where the plus sign is, if you click on it, you will see these options. Use camera, add photos, photos from web, add text, or add stickers. You're going to want to select add text, and as soon as you do that, you're going to see this screen. On this screen, you have the different options of changing your font, so you can select whichever font you want to choose. You can also select this bucket here to put a background behind it, and you can also change the color of the text. So I've chosen to go with reality font type, red ink, and a yellow background. So I chose all of it, and I typed in weathering, erosion, and deposition. And as soon as you do that, you can see it pops up right here, weathering, erosion, and deposition. And then you simply just manipulate it. You can move it wherever you want to move it on the screen. I chose to put mine at the very top. And it's not permanent. You can move it anytime you want if you decide that that's not where you want it. For this assignment, I've asked that each student add photos for weathering, erosion, and deposition for a total of 3 different pic collages, one for weathering, one for erosion, and one for deposition. So I'm going to show you an example of an erosion one. So you're going to want to go back down to the little plus sign, and once you click on it, you'll see the same options. This time you're going to click on add photos. As soon as you click on add pictures, you're going to see your options. My camera roll is where I have my picture saved, so I'm going to go and click on my camera roll. And as soon as you do that, you will have the option to choose whichever picture you want. I've chosen this picture here to represent erosion, and as soon as you click on it, you get your little check mark, and you also see up here that it's added one picture. And here's the picture that I've added. You can see that it's a picture of erosion. I've kind of blown it up a little bit and put it in the center. I will be moving it around as I need to. You can see that there's an orange border around it. You can simply change that border if you want to down here in the text feature. You'll also see a spot to change the border, or you can just hold down on it and it will allow you to change the border. It'll say edit border, and then you can change it to whatever color you want. You don't even have to have a border if you don't want. I like it because I think that it makes it stand out from the background a little bit more. And that's all you need to know. You keep adding pictures, changing your borders, adding labels. In my assignment, I've asked the students to have a title, a clear title at the top, and this one says erosion. I've also asked that they have a subtitle that tells me the definition of erosion, and that they have their name somewhere on it. There's not a requirement for the amount of pictures. However, I do like about what I have, about 6 pictures, because it doesn't take up too much room. If they do want to change the layout to make it look like a real collage instead of just pictures thrown on here, you can come down here and select a different collage from that choice, and it'll rearrange your pictures that you already have into a frame. But this is it. This is your example, and just play with it. It's a lot of fun.